Farmer of the Year. This award recognizes an exceptional farmer who demonstrates innovation, leadership, and a lasting commitment to advancing small farm success. And the 2025 Small Farm Outreach Program Farmer of the Year Award goes to
My name is Brick Goldman. I live in Charlotte County, Virginia, the little town of Cullen. I'm a farmer out here in Charlotte County. Well, I first got into farming because that's how I grew up. We were out in the tobacco fields during the summer when a lot of other kids were out playing basketball and baseball. But as I grew older, I just developed a love for it, and I came back to the farm 15 years ago. The love for farming came in, I guess, just from seeing stuff grow. You know, you plant a seed, a watermelon seed, and then 80, 90 days from there, you go out there, you got a 25-pound watermelon, something you could brag about. You put a little tobacco plant in the field, you know, that's 6 to 8 inches tall. Come harvest time, it's a 3-foot tall, 3-foot wide plant out there, you know. It's amazing, you know, to see stuff grow. The Small Farm Outreach Program, since I came back from Michigan, and that was back in 2009. Cliff Summerfield came out to see me one day and just talk about my operation, what I was doing. Cliff helped get me on my way.
Every time I've met with Brick, we can always have a conversation about what's going on his farm and how he can improve what's going on his farm.
They've helped me adopt new technology on the farm. When I first came out, I didn't know anything about laying plastic mulch on the farm to plant my vegetables into. Plastic mulch conserves moisture, keeps the weeds out, plants just grow faster. They just helped bring new technology, showed me new equipment that I could use to help be a better vegetable farmer. Bringing new technology and knowledge, that's what it really helped me. Probably one of the prouder moments that I've had in my farming operation over the years is the formation of our Southside Virginia Fruit and Vegetable Producers Association. Food Line wants volume of product. When they say, hey, I want cucumbers from you, they don't want 10 or 20 cucumber boxes of cucumbers a week. They're going to want 300 or 400 boxes of cucumbers a week. And again, by coming together as a group, we were able to pool our resources, our talents, our production capabilities so that we could get the large volumes of product for Food Line.